Hi guys, welcome to the channel where I talk about personal growth, lifestyle, finances and everything in between. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you are going to withdraw your first money from Poppo app. If this interests you, sit back, relax and watch. Right now, if you want to withdraw, you click on that icon that looks as if it's saying hello to you. When you click on it, this interface will show. Then you click on your points. It will take you to withdraw. Now, because this is the first time you are withdrawing, you will need to bind your account. So you need to click on withdraw now. When you click on withdraw now, you click on add a payment method. So you can withdraw your money in different currency. So now I'm going to go to look for Nigeria. I want to withdraw my money in Naira. So I will look for Nigeria currency, NGN. I'm scrolling. Now this is NGN, Naira. So I will click on Naira. Then click on Nigeria bank transfer. You can see the different ways you can transfer your money through USDD, Binance, and the rest of them. So you now put your PIN. Then you fill in the details as it is in your bank account. Your first name, your last name, your bank, and the bank account number as it is on your bank card. That is how you are going to fill this out. When you finish filling it, you click on submit. When you click on submit, it automatically binds. Now Poppo has your bank details. After you successfully bind your account, you click on withdraw now. Then you click on confirm, pay the amount that you want to withdraw. After you click on the amount you want to withdraw, then you type in your password. After typing in your password, you click OK, and then you wait for within 24 hours your money will enter your bank account, and that is how you are going to withdraw your money. If you want to start making money on this app, my link is in the description box. If you have any question, leave a comment in the comment section. I would answer your question. If you need more videos on how to make more money on this app, let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, kindly like. Also, if this is your first time of viewing this channel, please do well to subscribe, share my videos, comment. See you in my next video. Bye.